Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let me take you on a little journey, a spiritual reflection. I like to call the majesty of mountains. You know, mountains have always held a special place in our hearts and stories. It's a source of inspiration, spiritual guidance for humanity. Their towering presence, majestic beauty, and enduring nature invite us to look inward, to reflect deeply, and to reconnect with our highest selves. First, let's talk about strength. Mountains stand tall and unshaken. They face harsh weather conditions, from scorching sun to freezing cold, and yet they remain steady. That kind of resilience is something we can bring into our own lives. Life throws us challenges, but like the mountain, we can learn to stand firm, not by fighting the storm, but by being deeply rooted in who we are. The mountains also offer a sense of serenity and peace. Have you ever sat in the mountains? It's quiet, peaceful, and something inside you just calmed down. We live in such a noisy world. The mountain teaches us to pause, breathe, and listen to nature, to our inner voice, to silence. In that space, peace finds us. And then, of course, there is the climb. Climbing a mountain is tough, right? It pushes you to your edge. But every step takes you higher. And that view at the top, it's worth it. Life works the same way. Challenges feel heavy in the moment, but they are also shaping us, helping us grow, showing us how strong and capable we really are. And finally, there is something about mountains that humbles you. Their timelessness and endurance. They have been standing there for millions of years, unchanged, unmoved. They didn't rise overnight. That's a big one for us. Sometimes we want everything now, but real transformation takes time. The mountain whispers, trust the process, keep going. You are becoming something incredible. So, be strong, be still, embrace the climb, trust the journey. There is so much spiritual wisdom in that silent mountain. If this resonated with you, leave a comment, share your thoughts, and of course, please do like and subscribe for more reflections like this. See you next time. Thank you.